I'm Prince Remy Malumi.
Fola Mokudo is my name.
My name's Felix Ade Ikuesan.
I am Ilaje. My name is Evangelist Lekon Remelekwemos Omo David.
Feiji me Fesojaye gbogbo la jẹ́ mọ̀ sí Letter of Zion.
Felix Omosowana JP.
Apostle Danilola Raphael, the chairman and managing director of Dallas Chemical Industries.
My name is Otumba Bode Ashogban.
I am Christ Ambassador Oyebo Aladeton JP.
I'm Honorable Babatunde Lepe.
Orúkọ àwa méjèèjì Evangelist Soladare Okunuwa aka Ọmọ Ìyá.
Ilaje TV.
May I know you, sir?
My name's Felix Ade Ikuesan.
Why are you here?
For the burial ceremony of my late brother, Reverend Malato Ikuesan.
When you heard about his demise, how do you feel?
I should be shocked anyway, rude shock, because it's not of expected age and it's been such a nice person, so I should have that rude shock. I should have that it was a rude shock.
Can you briefly tell us one or two attitude or character you know about him when he was alive?
Very amiable human being. Yeah, very amiable human being. And apart from that, he loves everyone, he cares for all. Now, particularly me, he feels concerned about every matter affecting me and my family.
Good evening, sir. May I know you?
Fola Mokudo is my name.
Why are you here, sir?
I came because of my friend, my classmate, Malato, Ikuesan.
Okay, when you hear about his death, his sudden death, how do you feel?
Of course, how would I have felt? Sad, because we came 2018, June 2018, to commission a project in Methodist High School. It was here, very vibrant, not knowing that that would be the last time I would see him. So when I heard about his death, it was a shock, very shocking.
May I know you, sir?
I am Christ Ambassador Oyebo Aladeton JP. I am a member of this community, a community participant, a community leader, and a devout Christian.
Okay, sir. Why are you here, sir?
You know what the reason why we are here? We are here. That's why you are also here. We are here to give a befitting burial to one of us, one of our brother, highly respected brother, a devout Christian, Pastor Malato Benson Emitayo Ikuesan JP, who departed the civil world some few weeks ago. And we are here for a wake-up service, a wake-up program in his honor. And after that, there will be all night long artist night for him. We are starting by 5 o'clock. And by tomorrow, we're going for other program, like a church program tomorrow. Then the corpse will be taken to Mahim for final burial. After that, we come back here for reception again. Later, Thanksgiving on Sunday at Igbokoda here and Shagamu, respectfully, on Sunday.
Can you tell us what you know about him, just shortly?
He's a Christian and he's a godly man.
So what advice do you have for his family members and well-wishers?
Well, all of us will die one day. All I will say is that whatever we know, God has given us to do, want us to do it very well. He did his own very well, and we are all proud of him. I pray when our own time comes, that yes, we shall not be found wanting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm Prince Remi Malumi.
Okay, why are you here?
We're ruling house, my kingdom.
Why are you here, sir?
I'm here because of the burial of one of our illustrious sons, a singer, gospeler, and a preacher.
Who is Malato to you, sir?
Malato happens to be a close relation to me. And I've known him, though I'm older than him. He was a humble gentleman, very respectful, and a man of God.
When you heard about his demise, how do you feel and what comes to your mind?
It's a shock, because when I woke up at about 4:30 a.m. on that fateful day, I saw I saw it in the social media that he has gone beyond. So when I woke up about 6 a.m., I went to his father's house. I saw him on the bed. It was a sorry case, and you didn't know it. That very day, we were over 300, not quite 2 hours before he died. Even the preacher here, Bayodele himself, turned up. So it was a sad occasion. But God knows best. Who are we to question God? He lived a fulfilled life, and he spent all his youthful days to serve the Lord.
Jale Marake.
Ale mami.
Klokonga.
Feiji me feso jaye gbogbo laje mo sí Letter of Zion.
Kawa sinibe.
Ètò Malato number 1.
Báwo ni Malato ṣe jẹ́ sí wa?
Ọ̀kan nínú àwọn àgbàjámà iná iṣẹ́ ìpè àlóore, iṣẹ́ ìpè ìrere tọ́lọ́run fún wa ní ilẹ̀ Ìlàjẹ.
A lè ṣàlàyé ní ṣókí ìwà yìí àwọn màmá Malato.
Malato jẹ́ ènìyàn èyí dédé Ìlàjẹ mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run fún ní ẹ̀bùn àti máa ṣe ẹ̀sìn tó mú gárà sí ògo Ọlọ́run. Malato jẹ́ ìkan nínú àwọn aṣáájú tí a lè sọ pé ó jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ yìí mọ̀ pé mímọ́ ni Ọlọ́run.
Advice wo yín àfẹ́ fún ọmọ àti ẹbí àtọ̀rẹ́ yín wá fún wa ní ìsìnkẹ́yìn lẹ́nìí?
Ẹ ṣé. Ohun tí a ní sọ fún àwọn ọmọ àbí àwọn ìjọ àbí àwọn ojúlùmọ̀ bá wọn tó wá láti òkèèrè ni pé ohun tí Malato ṣe sílẹ̀ yìí kí wọ́n bójútó kó má bàjẹ́, nítorí gbàkà ń bọ̀ tí kò ní sí ènìyàn mọ́ tó máa kún ẹ̀mí nìkan ti Ọlọ́run kó gbogbo lè jẹ́ ìkànnà nínú Kristi. Ẹ ṣé.
May I know you, sir?
Apostle Danilola Raphael, the chairman and managing director of Dallas Chemical Industries, the maker of Danilos Damplex Paints.
Why are you here, sir?
I'm here purposely because of the demise of a good friend and a brother, Pastor Malato, who was so dear to me and my wife.
Who is Malato to you, sir?
He's a brother, a friend, and I've seen him as a man of God in whom I 100% respect. He's a good singer. He coordinates the activities of Kevin and Seraphim before and now have his own church. He's a good person. At the time he was alive, he was very good, nice to everybody.
When you hear about his death, how do you feel?
At the time the news of the death emerged, I was pained, and I was outside the country when I saw it in my Facebook. I wept for a dearly lovely Christian that died.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
May I know you?
My name is Otumba Ashogban.
Why are you here?
Malato was my eldest brother, so I'm here to give him a befitting goodbye and a befitting burial.
So what can you say about him when he was alive, kind of life he lives?
Like, as much as possible, I hate to refer to him in the past because I still believe that he lives. But for the purpose of grammar, Malato was a very good man, was a lover of peace. He was a man that would not try in any way to hurt anybody. I could remember those days, even if you wrong him, he would be the one to come back to you and apologize. So that he wanted everybody to live at peace and to be peaceful with each other. And even amongst my siblings, I can say he's the gentlest of all. And at a later stage of his life, despite the fact that we are so many years apart, he was even calling me Egmo. So very respectful, very, very respectful. And he would say in those days that men in Namifio, so which means he cannot keep malice. He will never keep malice with anybody. If you offend him, he will be the one to greet you the following day. That is the kind of person he was. And all I can just wish is that he has lived a good life, although short, but as short as it was, he has impacted on so many people's life. And as a result, I believe with the kind of way he has lived, it's going to make heaven. And in the past 1 week that this program has started, you could hear testimony, and you could even see from the people that attended the programs in Shagamu, the kings, Sunday ministries, past governors of Ogun State, and he was a man of many parts, honestly. And he was well known both in Ogun State and Ondo State. He traveled worldwide in the pursuit of what he believed in, which is Christ. And I believe that by the grace of God, he's in the bosom of Abraham and at the right hand of God. Thank you.
Orúkọ àwa méjèèjì, Evangelist Soladare Okunuwa, aka ọmọ ìyá.
Kí àwa ṣe níbẹ̀ yìí ní alẹ́ yìí?
Àwa ṣe wake-up ọ̀gá wa president dédé àwọn ẹgbẹ́ olórin ní Nàìjíríà.
Léṣe olóògbé Malato.
Olóògbé ìyá torí ẹ̀ wá bá òun ni Reverend Pastor Malato Ikuesan ní Táyọ̀.
Báwo olóògbé yìí báwo ṣe jẹ́ sí hàn?
Actually, ìjọba fọjá sọ ìtàn torí iye bá mi ọmọ aṣọgbá ni. So ìyẹn bí wọ́n pé abára ta ní eré àbẹ̀ tó ròhùn fún ààrẹ ọmọ aṣọgbá ọmọ abá ni. But ní dédé àwọn ẹgbẹ́ olórin ìhà ní Nigeria Zion performing musician òun ló ṣe president wa ni.
Kí ìmọ̀ràn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn a fẹ́ gba ẹbí àti ará àti àwọn ọmọ àyòfin nílẹ̀.
Ìmọ̀ràn yìí anẹ́ àti fúnra èèpọ̀ torí pé irú àwọn ọmọ yìí irú Malato yìí jèrè nẹ́nẹ́ ẹbí ọmọ mi sọ̀ngá ọ̀kan mi nẹ́rin nínú ẹbí ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ rọ̀ ẹbí dédé kí a nẹ́ ìgbàgbọ́ àti àwọn ọmọ kí a máa ronú pé ó lọ bọ̀já nẹ́ pé bó tilẹ̀ kú òní ó ń fọhùn síbẹ̀ èyí Bíbélì sọ̀rọ̀ àkàgbọ́ orin rẹ̀ àkàgbọ́ ìwé orin rẹ̀ dédé ni a máa pé ó yá bùsà ṣe mi gbọ́rúkọ wọlé nìní yá mi gbọ́rúkọ bàbá mi nà bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ̀ àkàgbọ́rúkọ rẹ̀ torí ìlú ló ṣe ń lẹ̀.
Please like, comment and share, and remember to subscribe to Ilaje TV for more videos. Click the red button at the lower right hand corner, then click the bell. Thank you.